All right, guys. So here's the thing. AP just released some updates as to how the AP test is going to work. First thing, there's not going to be any multiple choice. It's going to be all FRQs. I do not know how many FRQs are going to be on there. Second thing is they've dropped the last 2 units from the exam. So there's not going to be any ecology. There's not going to be any evolution on there, which is good for us because those are the 2 topics we haven't covered yet. We will have some Unit 6 stuff on there, which we haven't finished yet. So we're going to have to finish that up. But other than that, we're going to be pretty much done. So I'm going to have a kind of Q&A session probably about 4 p.m. on Monday to go over what all we need to talk about. If you guys have any questions about the changes, we can go over it then. During that time, I'm also going to go over and answer questions about the first section of study guide stuff, which is, let me double check. It's not going to let me do it. Which is the molecular basis of inheritance, which is going to be mostly your DNA, RNA stuff. So that's what we're going to go over first. I'm also putting a bunch of virtual labs on there from the whole year. I'd like you to go in order on those if you can, because I'm going to put the important biotechnology ones that will be on the test first, and then go through everything else. I'm still working on a time to meet with you guys regularly to go over review material, to go over those labs, things like that. So if you have not yet filled out the SurveyMonkey thing in the email I sent originally, make sure you do. This video will be posted on OneNote, it'll be posted on OnCourse, and I'm sending it out through Remind. So make sure that both you and your classmates have viewed this at least once. That's pretty much all I have for you guys right now. I will see you on Monday, hopefully at 4 o'clock. I will send out a Zoom link and more information on it over Remind. Bye, guys.